Xumo TV is a smart TV platform that comes with many streaming apps pre-installed. But is Zeus Network one of them? Xumo TV comes with over 250 preloaded streaming apps, including popular services like Paramount Plus, Max, Discovery Plus, and YouTube TV. However, Zeus Network's availability on Xumo TV is not explicitly confirmed. The streaming service may or may not be included in the preloaded app selection. To check if Zeus Network is available on your Xumo TV, navigate through your device's app selection and look for Zeus Network, particularly in streaming or entertainment categories. The good news is that Xumo TV automatically adds new apps when they become available. This means Zeus Network could potentially be added to the platform in future updates without any action needed from users. If Zeus Network isn't available as a direct app on your Xumo TV, there are several workaround methods you can try. Since Zeus Network is a subscription-based streaming service, you might be able to access it through a web browser on devices connected to your Xumo TV. Alternatively, you can use screen mirroring from a smartphone or tablet that has the Zeus Network app installed. Keep in mind that some users have reported issues with Xumo Stream boxes, so ensure your device is functioning correctly for optimal streaming experience. These workaround methods can help you access Zeus Network content on your Xumo TV setup, even when the app isn't directly available.